Markonahalli Dam and Project History. Written by N. Shankarappa Toranagallu. Read by Inchara N. This is the most misformed dam project in Karnataka and India. Starting from Wikipedia article to dozens of widely shared social media videos depicts its history wrongly. Bad tradition has been set in Karnataka, especially in Mysuru princely state area through mythification and neglecting the factual data regarding each and every irrigation project and dam completed before independence. All such projects are being attributed to the achievements of Sir M. Vishveshwaraya. Even though Sir M. Vishveshwaraya is no way connected to Markonahalli project, everything connected to it along with iconic volute and hood siphons are being transferred to his account from other real representative. In this background, here is the brief note on the project. Shimsha is a river originating from Devarayana hills of Tumkur district, which is tributary to river Kaveri. Veera Vaishnavi is a tributary to Shimsha river. The feasibility of constructing reservoir across the Shimsha dates back to last decade of 19th century. In 1897 CT, Dalal prepared a project report to impound 1.2 TMC of water to irrigate 10,000 hectares of land. The scheme was later on investigated in greater detail by the Special Division under Engineer V. H. Carve and estimate amounting to 7.92 lakhs was prepared. This included the construction of an earthen bund cross the river just below the confluence with the Veera Vaishnavi river. This estimate was submitted to the Chief Engineer in October 1902. An alternative estimate amounting 8.28 lakhs providing for a masonry dam in the river portion and earthen bund for the left and right flanks was also prepared with a weir 305 meter long on the right saddle. The government ordered that this project would be taken up when funds became available. Two alternate estimates were prepared in 1909. The first estimate was for earthen bund for entire length with weir length of 580 meters amounting to 9.7 lakhs. The second estimate was for composite dam having central masonry dam over rock bed and earthen bunds on left and right side of it with weir length of 122 meter in masonry and 336 meter in right flank amounting to 11.3 lakhs. Finally, the second option of composite dam with central masonry dam and earthen bund on flank was approved. In 1918, the executive engineer of Tumkur division, Sri G. Krishna Iyengar, prepared an alternative alignment about 300 meters higher up along with the line of rocky boulders in the Shimsha and Veera Vaishnavi confluence. This was not pursued further because the length of the bund which made the scheme costlier. In 1928, the earlier alternate estimates made in 1909 were reviewed and were revised for amount of rupees 18.1 and 15.75 lakhs. The Diwan of Mysore, Mirza Ismail, inspected the site in October 1931 directed that the project should be further examined. Plans and estimates amounting to 22 lakhs were prepared. Thereafter, in accordance with the instructions of the Chief Engineer by Executive Engineer Sri N. L. Narasimhayya R., who also executed the project. The left and right flank earthen bunds are 705 meters and 766 meters. Thus, total length of the dam including these three parts is 1613 meters. Peak height of the earthen bund portion is 22 meters above river bed level and up to 3.6 meters below it with total height of 25.62 meters. The masonry core wall has been provided in the earthen bund to control seepage. The total height of this wall is 22 meters above the riverbed and 4.575 meters below it. The maximum height of core wall is 26.535 meters. The width of the earthen bund at peak height is 79.3 meters at bottom. The width of the earthen bund at top varies from 4.88 to 13.725 meters. The grip trenches 6.1 into 7 meters with 1 in 1 slope are provided to the embankment. The seepage of water through the earthen bund is relieved through the jelly drains provided at the bottom of the earthen bund. The total volume of stone masonry is 26,000 cubic meter. The total volume of earth in earthen bund portion 73.76 lakh cubic meters. The impermeable puddle 70,930 cubic meter. Originally, the entire excess flood was planned to be discharged over the surplus weir, but after modification, open weir over the masonry dam along with the 5 under sluices of size 3.05 into 6.1 with control gates, 2 automatically operating volute siphons have been provided. On the earthen flanks, automatically operating hood siphons have been provided. On left bank, one outlet sluice 1.38 into 2.1 meter has been provided. The construction of the dam was started in 1937 and was completed in 1941. The reservoir has total catchment area of 4055 square kilometers with average rainfall of 80 mm. The maximum flood was estimated as 1700 cumecs. At maximum water level of the reservoir impounds an area of 13.32 square kilometers and at FRL 12.39 square kilometers. The gross capacity of the reservoir is 2.32 TMC and live capacity 2.14 TMC. Siphons are hydraulically acting special types of tubes which discharges water or liquid across a barrier due to head difference in upstream and downstream ends, eliminating the atmospheric pressure in the pipe. Sri Ganesh Iyer, professor at Civil Engineering Department of Indian Institute of Science, was pioneer in research of volute siphons. These volute siphons were designed by him and for the first time were constructed in Markonahalli Dam. Later, similar siphons were constructed for Hirebaskara Dam across Sharavati River.